So, good morning everyone. Mag-video na sad ko kasi I want to open up about my life kasi I'm so tired talaga and I don't want to pretend that I'm happy when in fact I'm not happy talaga. I'm feeling so lost and at the same time so tired. Not physically, like physically talaga, pero emotionally and mentally ba? Parang binagkapoy na bitaw kaayo. Hindi ko na talaga knows yung life ko. I feel like I'm so tanga. And I just want to nakikiklase ka nun dong.
Ganyan alas na yun, Ben. Bet na nga nito.
Hala, nagpapansin pa man si Dudong sa kong video. I'm feeling so tired talaga. Nakakaon kong sili. I'm so tired of being Miss Little. You underestimated, you judge, interpreted. Ano bitaw, gikapoy na ko perminti ko yung underestimate and kana bitong gamay bitaw ilang palantaw sa ka. I often being judged by other people. Kung workmate, abugra daw ko, and it really hurts me. I know that I'm strong, independent woman. I know that I'm strong and dili ko. But sometimes matablahan bitaw ko. I feel so insulted, disrespected, and exploited talaga. I want to go home, go to the place or environment where I could feel loved, feel valued. I wanted to go home and to cry all what's inside of my heart. Hindi ko na kaya talaga. Ever since, hindi ko alam kung pinagsisihan ko ba. I don't know if nag-regret ba ko sa tanan akong sa decision nako sa akong kinabuhi. Sometimes, right now, I feel like I question myself. Sakto ba gid akong decision sa akong kinabuhi? I keep on asking that to myself and wanted to find an answer of that question. Sakto na ba gid ni? Right ba gid ni nga decision sa akong kinabuhi? Di ba na ako ni siya pagsisihan in the future? Ano bitaw? Ever since katong nagkuan ko, nag-apply ko for a job or for a working student. I wanted to apply for a working student. I mean an SA working. Not until sila na 300 in a week ang allowance din. That time I don't have my parents with me. Wala akong parents ako pinag-away-away pag mi sa akong brother. So I decided na I wanted to go home. I wanted to go in a place where away from this house. Ano bitaw kay wala gid akong mama. That time. Not until nag-working ko, I'm not expecting na any day. I mean, the work is good. The work is good. The work is good. The work is good. But the problem is me. Ako ang problema. I am the problem. I am the problem. I often miss my mama. I'm craving for love and connection sa akong mama. Kanang na, I just realized that need pa yun ako akong mama in my life. I'm not totally independent talaga. To tell you honestly, dili man ta ko mamingawon sa akong mama kung enjoyable lang yun akong life. Minti mo go sa balay good and I don't often go to school and wala po extracurricular activity or subject nga non-academic or academic lang ba siya. Dili enjoyable akong life because my class is only virtual, 1 to 2 hours lang. Then anak ko bang, I don't deserve this. I want something more for compared to this. Kanang I feel like I know na dapat patient ko. Because I know na daga na po ko na-learn. Since I go to her here, I became more wise. And though, sige ko ka-receive og mga harsh nga mga salita. Because of my actions, my decisions, and my impulsive behavior. I received a lot of comments or bash. Comment or bash. Mga words yun sa kuha nga i-throw sa kuha. Then I often being backstabbed. Because I know na mali yun ko. Just like what I said, I'm the problem. Because I'm being unproductive. It is because I feel like unmotivated bitaw ko. Wala sa kong heart ba when I work, wala sa kong heart because dili gid wala gid nako gilove akong work. Wala na ko gilove akong pagstay here. Mao na ang problema nako. That's why sige ko kamali. It's because I don't love my work. Gitry na ko to love my work, to be honest. Gitry na ko nga i-love na ko akong people around here, akong work, akong eskwela, akong self, akong mga decisions akong kinabuhi. Pero dili jud siya day. In my kuan, since I became 18 years old bitaw, nagtrabaho ko wala eskwela. And to tell you honestly, in my this 2024 July paingon karon March, wala gyud ko achievement ana day. Wala ko na-achieve miskan isa, and it really hurt me. And nanghihinayang ako. I don't know what's the English of nanghihinayang. Kanang as in bro, ang akong potential ba wala kay nako na exercise gid, wala nako na pa showcase bitaw akong talent because akong mga potentials, akong mga ability because naka-lock siya. I know my kuan. Kailangan ako. Pobre ko. I know. I'm pobre. Di ko ka-afford sa kong tuition. Di ko ka-afford. Sa tinalan, di ko ka-afford. Pero one thing na akong ma-afford is skills, knowledge, ability to, the willingness to learn, and ability to adapt new skills and situation. Mao gyud ako mga skills. I know na ako'y potential talaga na dili dapat na ko i-hide, dili dapat na ko like ang akong gusto ba in my journey, the process of achieving my dreams is each moment happy ko, na-enjoy na ko ako. I love what I'm doing, I love my work, I love my school, everything about me, naka-receive ko love, I appreciate it. I'm not being like wanted to special treatment because ako magandang type of person nga, holistic talaga ako mag-isip, hindi talaga ako one-sided na type of person. Dili ko one-sided ba. Ako yung i-think, unsay ma-feel sa uban, ako'y empathy. Na ako'y kuan ka ng care and love with other people, even if she's just like that, like for example she's just made or she's just kanang tao gani, what if kanang pulubi siya. I tried to understand her feelings din akong iput ako ang self sa shoes niya ba, ano bitaw. I don't judge them, but instead I question him, then I appreciate him or her. So inana ko nga type of person. So without realizing na ako, me, myself, wala ko ka-receive na, wala ko kanang, siguro akong mama, akong pastora, she really understand me bitaw. Despite na nakasala ko sa iya kay nilakaw ko diretso tas wa ko na nanghid nga nagworking ko wala na ako na nanghid niya. She feels so offended to it, then gi-unfriend ba gyud ako siya, then ako na siya gi-unfriend gi-friend ako balik, then ako nagingon ko nga depressed kay ko te, pampo ako te. You know what she's reply, iya kong gi-accept and gitagan ko nga verse, and naka-feel yung kong love sa iya ha, gitagaan ko yung kong niya kwarta. You know that makaingon yung ko ba nga there's still a person who's not judgmental and who loves you talaga despite of all your imperfections and mga mistakes na imong gibuhat. Ano bitaw, imong mga fault. Ano ko nga, oh my God, I need to keep going in my life. I need to never give up, char. I mean, I need to keep on going, rather. I want to keep on going because there's still person or there's still tao nga tanggap yapon ka, ma-understand yapon ka despite of your kada bitong mga imperfections or kanang mga mali nimo, even though nakasala ka sila, even though maka-make mistakes of course, cause nobody are perfect or is perfect. So for me bitaw, katong iyang gi-show sa kuha nga simbaban, you understand niya akong feelings. Ano bitaw, naka-feel ko nga naka-feel bitaw ko nga na bitaw naminaw na ako na dili bitaw ko i-judge, di ko i-look down o samot kailangan siya kay namo lain pud nga tao nga every time mo storya kasi mong feelings, yung problema niya, for example problema, you feel so down, yun istoryahan din ka nga you're just overreacting o kay kanang invalidate imo hang feelings instead of motivating you na it's just your feelings ba, don't kanang imo ra ng emotions ano bitaw. You need to kanang keep on going. Ano ba, sometimes mao mo guna atong kuan ang need bitaw. Ako, for me, affirmation gud ako ang I think that's my love language. Every time na moingon sa ko nga every time I feel so down, then ganahan ko nga ikuan bitaw ko, tagaan ko mga positive affirmation or positive words to motivate myself na okay, I need to remind myself sa akong mga goals. Na di ko'y goals, and dili ko pwede magkuhan, mag-give up. Ana bitaw. Ana. So, for me, I guess, and I think that I just need the right people in my life. Maura gina akong need garon. Because sometimes, I need to understand myself and able for me to work and to understand. I already ma-understand akong tao. Ano bitaw? I need to understand myself. So, this is just my self-reflection, or if I write this is my journal. So, I need to understand my emotions. So, na feel na ako karon nga day. Enable for me to work and to be kana bitong clear ba? Kay wala man jud ko peace of mind, to be honest. Karon wala ko'y kada bitaw na sometimes kanang ma-replay na ko akong mga actions before na dili maayo or kanang mga mistakes na ko before bitaw ana, especially kani akong gikuan akong decision ana, I know gyud nga dagan gyud ko pagkukulang, to be honest. Kanang pobre ko ana, ganang dapat gyud kung pobre ka you have to work hard, dili ka perminti lang gyud nga okay pobre ko, tanggap ko na pobre ko ana, dili dapat inana gyud. Dapat imo bitong i-allow nimo imong self to dream big and to work hard. Dili lang ka maglingkod-lingkod dira, magtulog-tulog and doing nothing and wasting your time. Ano bitaw? I-allow nimo imong self to chase your dream because nothing is impossible, just like what God said, di ba? So katong bitong ningon ko nga anay ubang tao bitaw, it really disappointed me knowing na ilang mindset kay grabe ka crab mentality lahi po na siya. Kanang fixed mindset ba? Di ko ganag fixed tao nga fixed mindset. Kinakoy one time na ilalaki. Yun siya nga. Eskwela dog tarong dog eskwela kay para pagtrabaho ni mo suldohan kag 400 in a day. In a day. For me, I feel so